Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use ConvertKit for landing pages. First, log into your ConvertKit account and navigate to the Landing Pages and Forms section. Click Create New and then select Landing Page. You'll be presented with various templates to choose from, each designed for different purposes. Pick one that aligns with your content and brand. This initial step sets the foundation for your subscriber growth. Now, let's personalize your chosen template. Click on different elements to edit text, upload your own images, and adjust colors to fit your brand. Remember, a clean and appealing design keeps visitors engaged. Focus on clarity and simplicity. Ensure your unique selling proposition is clear and the overall look is professional. This visual appeal is crucial for converting visitors into subscribers. Next, craft your compelling content. Your headline should grab attention, and the body text should clearly explain the value you offer. Integrate your email sign-up form prominently. This is where visitors will provide their information. Consider offering a valuable incentive, such as a free ebook or a mini-course, to encourage sign-ups. A strong offer significantly boosts your conversion rates and builds your email list effectively. Finally, it's time to publish your landing page. Click the Publish button and customize your URL for easy sharing. Once live, share your page widely across your social media channels, email signature, and any other relevant platforms. The more visibility your page gets, the more potential subscribers you'll attract. Remember to check the description for the link to Little Trees Black Ice and other great deals. Keep promoting your page to maximize its reach and grow your audience consistently.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.